Safer Together is a governmental program for the public safety and coordinated by the Ministry of Interior and Administration. The core idea lying underneath the implementation of the program is the cooperation for the benefit of restricting crime and antisocial behaviors.
Szczególnie zależy nam na tym, aby były zawierane koalicje.
We are particularly interested in establishing coalitions and taking mutual actions for the improvement of public order in partnership with different subjects. Since 2007, joint actions of government and local government administrations have been initiated and implemented successfully with the participation of local communities and non-governmental organizations. In the areas of towns and boroughs, the active partners for taking actions within the framework of the program are the police, border guard, state fire service, voivodeship services, guards and inspections. The local units such as schools, municipal and communal guards, the housing estate councils, sport clubs, local media and internet services created by the local government authorities and even religious unions and churches, all activated thanks to the program, are joined into the implementation of the projects. Apart from the obvious efficient and multidimensional improvement of public safety, the program's variety in the scopes of action is, among others, aimed at strengthening schools, families and local environments' educational function, as well as organization of children's and teenagers' leisure time. The program's areas of activity: safety in public places and places of residence, safety at school, domestic violence, road traffic safety, public means of transport safety, economic activity safety, national heritage protection. Local actions are always preceded by the analysis of possible dangers occurring in the areas of powiats and boroughs. Depending on the outcomes, the spread of forces and means of particular guards is determined, and preventive and regulating measures are taken. As an example, the increased number of joint police, military police and municipal guard patrols are introduced in the areas where they are most required. Local government authorities are encouraged to participate in the implementation of the assumptions and aims of the program by the financial support from the national budget. The local government authorities, inspired by the effects of the joint venture, more willingly grant financial support to the services responsible for the public order. Among others, this support consists in financing additional patrols, installing visual monitoring in places which are particularly at risk, buying new police cars or new photo radar masts. The effect of the joint ventures, financed within the program from the national budgets and the local government authorities, is a tangible and substantial improvement of the public security. It is demonstrated in the statistic data regarding threats. The level of social identity with the program and with the idea that it is safer together is increasing due to the massive information campaign and joint actions. The collaboration of various services and institutions, as well as their efficient communication, are the indispensable factors contributing to the improvement of the effectiveness of actions. That achieved largely thanks to the support from the image of the police and the increasing social trust in that and other services. The common belief that the police is the only institution responsible for our safety is slowly being replaced by the idea that the public security is our common concern. The program consists in various kinds of initiatives. Educational and preventive undertakings are popular. Their frequent examples are knowledge contests addressed to school environments and aiming at preparing children and teenagers to react rationally in face of any danger, contests and quizzes in subject of road traffic safety. Sport events to organize leisure time, promote sports and develop civic attitudes among children and teenagers. Demonstration classes and rescue competitions, popularizing the work of police and rescue teams, as well as the knowledge on how to administer first aid. The level and the extent of the threats which are brought by the internet increase. The experts alarm that the violence moves from the school corridors towards the internet. They add that unconventional actions are required in order to prevent this problem. We are trying to share information and collect lesson plans from various educators and places, because every environment has its different problems. Radio broadcasts, publication of bulletins and other educational and informational materials, as well as conferences on education and safety, are the elements of those undertakings. Actions in the area of national heritage protection, apart from protecting the national culture properties, are aimed at educating children in the respect for tradition and value of its resources. Fire protection and anti-burglary prevention of historical monuments, as well as educational undertakings in the subject of historical monuments preservation, are the main concerns of the action schemes. Economic activity safety is the area aimed at reducing threats in trading. An internet database called Good Practice Bank welcomes verified initiatives. The base was set up in order to join the experiences of the program members, pass on solutions which guarantee effectiveness, and to inspire creating new ones. Collecting and providing of the good practices are parts of the job performed by the EUCPN, European Network for Crime Prevention. EUCPN, through facilitating cooperation and exchanging information between parties dealing with limiting crime, contributes to the growth of prevention programs on the level of the European Union.
Wyróżnienia polskich programów w międzynarodowym...
International awards for Polish programs prove that Polish prevention is not in its infancy, but it has its own experiences which can be praised in Europe. We are a partner with full rights, and we can present the solutions adopted in Poland to the United Europe.
Te rozwiązania, które są w Polsce przyjęte.
Foreign partners appreciate cooperation with Poland.
Ich sagte bereits, die Zusammenarbeit besteht seit vielen Jahren.
For a few years, cooperation has been developing successfully. New fields of cooperation and new challenges are emerging. We collaborate with the colleagues from the Polish Police Prevention and share information and experience. Actions aiming at the promotion of safe behaviors are initiated during summer vacation by the Ministry of Interior and Administration annually. The action called Safe Holidays is implementing common initiatives of services and institutions organizing children and teenagers' rest. These initiatives aim at raising the level of road traffic and resting place safety. Variety of police actions to eliminate life and health-threatening road situations are carried out not only during holidays, but also in other circumstances conducive to the enhanced road traffic. A campaign called Cycle Safely to Your Destination meets a great interest. It popularizes road traffic regulations and shapes proper behavioral habits among cyclists. The leading assumption of the campaign is creating positive conditions to educate children and teenagers on public transport. For this purpose, as part of the action, we build road traffic towns. Local government units are granted financial aid for building new towns and also modernizing and equipping the already existing ones. Another nationwide campaign called Prevention and Theatre engages teenagers in artistic ventures against social pathology, mainly drug abuse among students. Moreover, it is broadening parental knowledge in the field of drug prevention. Every year, the integrating multi-day autistic workshops called Stopover PAT are organized for volunteers and theatre groups taking part in the program. Furthermore, Sport Events Safety develops habits of civilized sports support as well as proper behavior during mass sport events. What is more, it popularizes sport as a method of spending free time. This is an important campaign, particularly in view of the Euro 2012 Championships. Educating children and teenagers through organizing both sports recreation camps and sports events, preparing to attend mass events in sports facilities is an important element of this campaign. In effect, the prophylaxis will result in the proper use of stadiums where the fighting spirit shines solely upon sportsmanship. Stop 18, a program focusing on the responsible sale of tobacco products as well as drug tourism, a campaign against drug abuse, can be both highlighted among many other undertakings. Social campaigns aiming at raising awareness in relation to widely understood domestic violence and promoting family values are widely known. It was achieved largely thanks to the support from the media and the representatives of the world of culture. I Love, I Don't Beat and Children in the Web.
Tak naprawdę te działania profilaktyczne powodują ich efekty.
In fact, these preventive measures result in a safer and safer country. The crime rate has decreased. We are dealing better with pathologies. Therefore, we can feel safer.
Możemy się czuć bezpiecznie.
W szkole, na ulicy, na stadionie. Wszędzie tam może być bezpiecznie. Również dzięki Tobie.